Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use masking effect in Wondershare Filmora video editing software. Let me go here and open this application. You can use it on Windows as well as on your Mac operating system. Now we need to start a project. On the top left corner you can find out these all of the major features. Let me upload a video, then drag it to the timeline. So now it can take few seconds. After that, now it is ready to use. Let me crop this part. And now to use masking effect, simply you can go and click on your video. And here you can see this one, mask. And now you can use different shapes. You can add rectangle shape, circular, and different other options. So let me use this one. And here you can manage this one so that circle should look professional. So you should have a transparent video. You can use CapCut to remove your video background. So after that you can export your video file